Hi, welcome to Shruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to learn division by 5. Let's try an example. 143 divided by 5. We could write 143 divided by 5 as 143 times 1 by 5. 1 by 5 could also be written as 2 by 10 because 1 by 5 and 2 by 10 are equivalent. So, 143 times 2 by 10. So, first multiply 143 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6 and 4 times 2 is 8 and 1 times 2 is 2. So, write down the 2. So, 143 times 2 is 286. Next, divide 286 by 10. Place a decimal point 1 digit before because there is 1 0 in 10. So, 28.6. So, 143 divided by 5 is 28.6. Let's try another example. 248 divided by 5. 248 can be written as 248 times 1 by 5. 1 by 5 can be written as 2 by 10 because 1 by 5 and 2 by 10 are equivalent. So, 248 times 2 by 10. First multiply 248 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16, so write down the 6 and carry the 1. So 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus the carry 1 is 9. So 2 times 2 is 4, so write down the 4. So 248 times 2 is 496. So, divide 496 with 10. Place a decimal point 1 digit before because there is 1 0 in 10. So, 49.6. So, 248 divided by 5 is 49.6. Let's try one more example. 6532 divided by 5. 6532 can be written as 6532 times 1 by 5. 1 by 5 can be written as 2 by 10 because 1 by 5 and 2 by 10 are equivalent. So, 6532 times 2 by 10. First do 6532 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. Write down the 0 and carry the 1. Next to 2 times 6, which is 12. 12 plus the carry 1 is 13. So write down the 13. So 6532 times 2 is 13064. Next, divide this number with 10. Put a decimal point before one number because there is 1 0 in 10. So 1306.4. So 6532 divided by 5 is 1306.4. Thanks for watching.